guys, it's Nicole from Honest Try TV, and today for lunch I'm going to be making, or heating up rather, preparing the lamb kebab with turmeric hummus and roasted sweet potatoes by Chef Akhtar Nawab. Hope I didn't butcher his name. And this is from CookUnity, which is the new subscription food service that we are trying out. So there's no preparation or cooking really involved. All you do is kind of heat your chef-prepared meal. So I'm going to be following the chef instructions. So preheat your oven to 350. Remove sleeve film and both cups and heat up to 20 minutes or until heated through. So let's look at it. Voila! So there you go. Two massive lamb kebabs is the proper term. I was about to say meatballs, but there you go. It looks like a half of a sweet potato, essentially. Is that pickles? And then there's the turmeric hummus. So I'm going to go ahead and preheat my stove, and then I'm going to pop the whole container, sans film, sans cups, pop this whole container in for 15-20 minutes, and then we will be back with a review to let you know how it actually tastes. Just a second. Okay, we're back. I'm going to go ahead and grab my lamb kebab and sweet potatoes out of the oven. Smells awesome. Smells really good. I hope it tastes good, Lord. I hope it tastes chef level awesome. Maybe I'm a little biased. Sorry, I'm grabbing a fork and a knife. I'm grabbing my utensils so I can get it together. But maybe I'm a little biased because proudly I can say that Jason's cousin / sister, she's actually his first cousin, but they're super close, is a chef in New York. And so my standards are super high. You know, when you say chef prepared, I'm looking for chef prepared, and I know what chef prepared tastes like. I mean, just from my own personal experiences with eating out a lot, way too much, way more than I should probably. And also from Sabrina just being the definition of awesome. So, I mean, she's so awesome that I asked her, hold on, let me get you situated here so you can see the full layout. I asked her to help me find organic baby recipes for Zaire. And she was like, yeah, I couldn't find anything that I felt was like really a good balance of nutrition and flavor. So I'm just going to make them myself. Like that level of awesome, and just very, very super passionate about what she does. So I'm trying these pickles. I guess pickled cucumbers is what I'm thinking this is. That's nice. Very simple. I'm just tasting fresh cucumber, sugar, and some sort of vinegar, rice vinegar. I'm reading the instruction box over here, trying to figure out, okay, what am I eating? What I'm tasting is this rice vinegar, sugar, and just fresh cucumber. Very fresh. It's not like super pickled. It's enough to kind of help maybe break up some of the other flavors. But it's not kind of like a pickle. Now let's try sweet potato. See how this has been seasoned and prepared. It looks good. Mmm. Ew. Yep. Mmm. So it tastes good, but there's something sandy. Something sandy that I'm crunching on. It's like the consistency of sand. Like it's super tiny. I don't know what it is. But there's something like sand in here. And it's throwing me off because I'm like, why is there sand? One more bite. Okay. No sand in that one. I don't know what happened with that first bite. That was odd. I don't know what that was. Okay, and let's try our kebab. By the way, in terms of portion size, Jason, who complained about some of the other CookUnity meals that we got, said that he was like thoroughly pleased with the size of this dish. That it was a lot of food. It was a good size. Good. I mean, these two dense kebabs with the potatoes and then the pickles to kind of break it up. That was good for him. And he's a big boy. He likes to eat. And he found that pretty filling. So let's try the kebab with the turmeric hummus and see how we doing. Yeah, this is pretty good. This is pretty good, y'all. I don't know. Maybe I'm biased and I just love me some lamb. And these spices are just nice. They're really nice. Yeah. I like this. This is really good. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this one probably an 8. 7.58. She's good. I'm confused about that thing that I was crunching on. I don't know. I don't know what that was, but the sweet potatoes are good. Texture question aside, the sweet potatoes are good. This kind of cucumber salad is good. And the kebabs are good. The hummus is good. I like it. It's not the best I've ever had, but she good. She real good. So, yeah, 8 out of 10. So I'm going to stop eating so that I can close this video out. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let us know if you have any questions, concerns, recommendations. And this has been Chef Akhtar Nawab's Lamb Kebab and Turmeric Hummus with roasted sweet potatoes from CookUnity. So yeah. Bye guys. See you later. This is Nicole with Honest Try TV.